Hello, I'm in Girokaster Albania.
These are traditional Albanian dishes. I have ordered a Qifqi. This is Girokaster's traditional food. Rice balls with eggs, herbs.
The traditional Qifqi originates from the southern Albanian city Girokaster, shaped like meatballs. This vegan dish is easy to prepare and is considered as the national dish of Girokastra, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The customized frying pan that is used specifically to shape Qifqi is a very important component to this recipe, but especially the generous use of mint powder, which leaves a pleasant fresh aftertaste. Regarded as the one traditional dish from Girokastra, Qifqi is difficult to find anywhere else, even in Albania. In that sense, it is one of the most authentic and typical Albanian dishes imaginable. As a UNESCO World Heritage listed town, Girokaster is visit worthy as it is, but the presence of this delicious savory finger food makes it even more attractive. Qifqi are small balls made with boiled rice, eggs, herbs, salt and pepper, and occasionally cheese as well.